He didn't take vacations. He didn't punch clocks. He built this with nothing but grit and a vision. That's the business. He knew every product by weight, by smell, by feel. He showed his crew how to spot a warped plank from across. This wall isn't just decoration. It's decades of laughter, long days, and late nights. And every one of them mattered.
They called him boss, mentor, friend. He never sought applause, but today they gave it freely.
Brokers gave him promises, delays, excuses, but BuildDirect gave him answers, clarity, a plan. His people stayed. His store kept growing. His name lived on, even when it wasn't on the sign.
Now he watches the birds instead of shipments. No spreadsheets, no missed calls.
He hadn't taken a vacation in 20 years. Now every day feels like one. The only thing he sentits. The young guy asked, "How did you do it?" He smiled and said, "Care about your people. Build something that outlasts."
You built something rare, something strong. Now it's time to rest, knowing it'll be taken care of.